was today years old when I realized you can make fried chicken out of rice paper. Just marinate your rice paper in chicken broth.
Why? Like, for what?
Wrap it around fake wooden bones, dip in flour, and fry until golden. These are perfect to make if you're craving fried chicken but
What the fuck?
don't have all the ingredients. They're so crispy and you can't even tell the difference.
A whole fucking mess. Absolutely not. Absolutely not.